when you have a dress but you want a top and a skirt. First, choose the length. Where do you want to cut? So pick that row, and then use a yarn needle with a long tail that will be enough for the entire circumference of your dress, and insert the needle through the bottom of the stitches on that row. So this is exactly the bottom of the stitch, and make sure that the needle is through those stitches. Then tie the end to make a knot, and with a scissor you will cut the previous round across the previous round, so the round before the one that you insert the thread through. And I know it sounds scary, but you need to cut this. Now you have two separated pieces. The top, because it's a top down, will be easier. You just remove the strands and you have basically the edge perfectly fine. With the skirt, we will need first to remove the cotted yarn, all of it, and we will have some stitches with the yarn through them. I will use an elastic band to make my life easier, but it's not necessarily. And now connect a yarn, and you will work under the yarn that you inserted through the stitches, and between the stitches single crochet. I worked only one round, but you can work more if you want your waistband to be thicker or wider. And then I'm taking the elastic band and I will crochet single crochet around this elastic. And there you have it. I worked a couple of more rows after inserting the elastic band. You can use a cord if you want instead of it, and there you have it. You have two pieces set right now.